So today we are starting with Check Your Progress, Class 8 ML Aggarwal, Construction of Quadrilateral. Now for sum number 7, it is said that we need to construct a parallelogram ABCD in such a way that AC is 4 cm, diagonal BD is 6 cm and angle between the diagonals is 75. Now this is somewhat the rough sketch. Now for construction, as AC is given as 4 centimeter, so AO will be half of AC, that is 2 centimeter, and BD's value is given as 6 centimeter, so OD's value will be half of BD. So while doing that, first we are going to construct AC, that is 4 centimeter, and in center O we are going to draw a 90 degree. On drawing 90 degree, we need to construct 75 degree. After constructing 75 degree, we are just going to extend the lines. Now we know BD is 3 centimeter, OD is 3 and OB is 3. So from O we are going to take 3 centimeter measurement and construct a point at D. So we get point D. Similarly, placing the compass here, we just construct an angle 3. So we get 3 centimeter here. So we get OB as 3. Now we get our required parallelogram ABCD. We are going to do sum number 8. So for sum number 8, this is a bit difficult sum than the rest of the sums of this chapter, because here it needs slight bit of understanding. So understand the sum quite well. Here we need to construct for sum number 8 a rectangle PQRS, where PQ's value is given as 3.5. Now angle RPS till this much, till this angle is given as 75. If you have done understanding shapes, you will know that to find the complete angle P, we are going to subtract, like if we want to find QPR. So for finding this, we need to subtract it from 90 degree minus 75, because we know each of the angles in a rectangle is a 90 degree. So we get 15 degree. So we get 15 degree here. Now we get, this is the rough sketch. For the final sketch, look at the diagram. PQ 3.5, and on P we are going to do a 75 degree angle first, then we are going to extend the line. After constructing 75 degree, we are going to construct 15 degree on it itself. After constructing, we are not going to construct the line here now. After that, we are going to construct a 90 degree on Q and extend the line. After that, when we construct the line of 90 degree here, we are going to extend the line from 15 degree here. So where the point meets, it becomes R. And from R, we are going to measure PQ and bisect it here. We get point S. Similarly, we are going to bisect here, we get point R. So we get our required rectangle PQRS. For sum number 9, here we need to construct a rectangle whose diagonal is 6.8 and angle between the diagonal is 105. So this is the rough sketch. Now for the final sketch, AC is we are considering is 6.8. So each AO will be 3.4, half of AC. So after constructing AC, we are going to just draw 105 degree angle. After drawing the angle, we know all the lines in a rectangle is similar, diagonals are similar. So we are just going to place 3.4 here. We are just going to bisect it here. Similarly, placing the compass here, we are just going to bisect it here. Measuring 3.4 OD and OB. And joining the lines ABCD, we get our required rectangle. For sum number 10, we need to construct a rhombus BEST. So if one side of the side is given 4.5, so each of the rhombus side will be 4.5, and the diagonal is given, that is ET 6 centimeter. So we will be able to construct this. So because we have done lots of sum similar to this, so now we go to sum number 11. For sum number 11, only the diagonals are given, two diagonals, one is 7 and one is 5.3. So if we consider AC is 7, so AO will be 3.5, so we construct 3.5, then measuring AO, we bisect C, we get 3.5 here, so we draw a line. On O we draw 90 degree. Similarly for below we are drawing 90 degree, and measuring 5.3, that will be half of 5.3, it will come 2.65. So we are going to place the compass here, measuring 2.65, we are going to bisect B and bisect D and join the line. So we get our required rhombus ABCD. For sum number 12, it is exactly same sum like sum number 11, only here it is given one diagonal, that is 5.8. So half of 5.8 will be 2.9, so AO is 2.9. Again measuring 2.9 here, placing the compass here, we bisect at C. Similarly placing at O, we draw 90 degree. Above and below, that will be B and D. So here we are measuring 2.9 here, bisecting at B and bisecting at D after constructing 90 degree, and joining the lines ABCD, we get a required square.